less gastos, more sapatos. Fast delivery equals bago dumating yung next pair mo, ready na ang display mo. And if nanonood ka ng Shopee Live na yon, may exclusive deals and voucher drops waiting just for you. So don't scroll away kasi habang nagdadrop ang deals, baka ma-sold out to agad. Dapat mong bilhin ang multi-tier shoe rack kasi super practical at space-saving ito. Maraming layers fit na fit ang madaming pares ng sapatos, perfect sa dorm o maliit na kwarto. Nakakatulong mag-organize, wala nang kalat sa sahig, mas malinis at maayos tingnan. Matibay at easy to assemble, hassle-free gamitin kahit saan mo gusto ilagay. Sulit bilhin para sa malinis, organized at stylish na shoe corner. Parang ikaw, maganda, maayos at sulit sa budget. Remember, if you love your shoes, give them a rack that matches their energy. So click that orange basket at check out mo na yan while we're live. Give your shoes the home they deserve. Okay, for our next product, the aesthetic beige water container that's serving hydration and vibes. Today, I'm about to prove na pati water container pwede maging aesthetic. So kung pagod ka na sa mga blue gallon containers ng mineral water sa office at bahay nyo, this one's for you. We have here the aesthetic beige water container 20 liters, white faucet with rotary lid. Hydration but make it Pinterest core. Okay mga ka-Shopee, real talk muna, kailan mo huling na feel na classy ang water jug mo? Diba usually parang okay lang yan basta may tubig? Well, not anymore, bestie. Beige, minimalist, Instagrammable. Kung may award lang for best in aesthetic hydration, eto nang winner, hands down.